Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the process of redeeming your Hilton Honors points for free nights. By the end of this step-by-step tutorial, you'll be ready to enjoy a complimentary stay at one of Hilton's many hotels around the world. Step 1. Log into your Hilton Honors account. Begin by navigating to the Hilton Honors website or opening the Hilton Honors app on your mobile device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Search for a hotel. Once logged in, use the search bar to find a hotel. Enter your desired destination, check-in and check-out dates, and the number of guests. Click on the Find Hotels button to generate a list of available properties. Step 3. Filter your search for reward stays. To ensure that you're only seeing properties that accept Hilton Honors points for redemption, look for the filter option on the search results page. Enable the filter for points or select reward nights. This will display only those hotels where you can redeem your points. Step 4. Choose your hotel. Browse through the list of hotels that meet your criteria. Once you find one that suits your needs, click on it for more details. Here, you will see the number of points required for the stay and the available room types. Step 5. Select your room. After reviewing the hotel's amenities and services, select the room type you desire. Make sure to confirm that the booking is for a reward night, as the points required may differ by room type. Step 6. Confirm your stay. Proceed to the booking page. Review your reservation details, including the points that will be used for the stay. If everything looks good, click on the Book Now button to finalize your reservation. You may also have the option to add in special requests or additional services at this stage. Step 7. Review your confirmation. Once your booking is complete, you will receive a confirmation email detailing your stay. Be sure to save this information for your records. You can also check your Hilton Honors account to see the updated points balance after redemption. Step 8. Prepare for your stay. As your travel date approaches, make any necessary arrangements and enjoy the perks of being a Hilton Honors member. Don't forget to keep your confirmation handy when you check in. We hope this step-by-step guide has made redeeming your Hilton Honors points for free nights easy and straightforward. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and travel advice.